Hi, this video is for those SS aspirants who are preparing for an NEET exam of November or upcoming NEET SS exam. So, whatever the exam that you prepare, it takes a very strenuous and an effortful process, because this is not like a course or a preparatory course or preparation time that was existing that you are doing for pre-PG. Because that time, and most of the students, more than 95% of the students would have been preparing for full time. But this is not the same way. Now, the students who are preparing for the Super Speciality exam could have completed their post-graduation and working somewhere as a consultant or working as an assistant professor or associate professor and then preparing for that. Or those students are in the second year or third year or the first year of a PG residency or doing simultaneously along with their PG residency program. So, it is not a full time. In other words, which I can say, all the students who are preparing for a NEET SS or NESS or DRNB SS are not preparing for full time, they are preparing as a part time. So what is the time that is required to have a consistent preparation? So I'm here to tell you that a consistent preparation could be only a 5 days a week and 1 hour per day is more than enough. 9 to 10 o'clock could be most appropriate. Those who have to early to bed could be 8 to 9 o'clock. So on a consistent and a persistent effort, every day an hour for 5 days is more than enough if your preparation is going to be for 6 months to 1 year. If suppose going to be a short-term preparation, then probably last 1 month or 15 days, you will require a full time, say almost close to 14 to 16 hours of preparation might be required. But those students who are planned and doing a long-term preparation of 6 months to 1 year, 1 hour per day is more than enough. The most important crux to crack a Super Speciality exam is the love that you have for your specialty. That will make you to reach where you're supposed to go. This is, I'm telling you out of my experience. I am a cardiothoracic and a vascular surgeon, and I want to become a cardiothoracic and a vascular surgeon, but it took me almost 21 years to complete my dream to come true. I'm telling you this because to become a cardiothoracic surgeon and Super Speciality in an MCH was my dream. That dream was even when I was doing my MBBS. So once I did my MBBS, once I did my post-graduation, there are a lot of situations where I may not be able to do continuously. I didn't do continuously. There was a break after MBBS to do PG, and after PG I was break for almost say 8 to 9 years to do my Super Speciality. And one of the most important reason I need to go for work to earn and support myself and my family. There could be a number of reasons for anybody who's preparing for this, and this is my reason. So whatever might be the reason, but the dream is alive, and dream remains alive. And that is what is more important. Once that dream is alive, that is more than enough for anything else. Even you can have a break in preparation for 1 year or 2 years, it doesn't matter at all. That dream and the love towards that specialty has to be always alive. That dream and the love towards the specialty will make you to achieve your specialty of your choice, either be a DM or an MCH, whatever the specialty you're going to choose, it will make you reach there. That is the most important key here. And it could be an intermittent preparation or a sustained preparation. A sustained and continuous preparation helps you to reach the goal early. But in spite of it, just keep dreaming about it, keep living in that, and keep thinking about it, and be in that space. That alone will make you reach there. And it will motivate you to prepare towards it and reach there. This is my experience I want to share with you. Whatever the difficulty you have, whatever the time that you cannot give, whatever is the situation is not allowing you to progress, if you feel I'm not able to progress, don't worry about it. Just think about it and be in that, and slowly you will take efforts to work towards it, and definitely you will be able to reach it. Because this I'm telling you out of my experience, because I have trained more than 3.5 lakh students of PG aspirants and more than 35,000 Super Speciality aspirants. I know what it is. That's the reason I want to reassure you. Just travel, keep traveling. You will achieve your dream specialty. Yes, there's no doubt about it. And because you have traveled from MBBS to PG, you have made that journey, and this final journey will also happen for you. So as a part of team and spirit of team, we are here to assist you and help you. And for all those students who have been already a part of Speed or registered in Speed and learning through Speed, and you have the live sessions which are going on, follow the live session. We are kept from slots from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, or live session, interactive sessions. Attend those sessions. It will motivate you, will engage you. And those students are yet to register, kindly be in the space. You need the right mentor and the right team to achieve what you intend to achieve. I mean, if you are not able to drive yourself alone, be the part which drives you, because this is a system which is there, which will help you, will engage you, will motivate you, yes, to take that right effort and the space, and you will be in that space, and automatically you will reach where you intend to reach. Okay, so the next exam of November NEET is going to come up, and next exam of NEET SS is going to come up, and the team of Speed is fully geared to make sure that you are adequate enough for all the updates, and you're adequate enough for all the new questions that could be asked. And we expect some video based questions could be introduced for the upcoming exam, because they introduced in PG, and I'm expecting it could be for SS as well. So whatever might be the examination pattern or change in examination pattern, there's a quick adaptability for the team of Speed to give the best to the students, and we will deliver to that to you. And once again, I wish you all the best and all the success for a great preparation ahead for an NEET and NEET SS of upcoming exams. And see you soon at Speed, and best wishes to all of you.